What's up YouTube, this is Dark Blood and welcome back to my channel. This is our 2012 Camaro project that we're working on, and today what I'm going to be doing is an oil pan access mod. What this allows you to do is to service any kind of maintenance that you need to do to the bottom end of the engine without having to pull the engine out. So the way that this whole mod works is, as we can see, we've got the entire cradle underneath the vehicle. This is the front end and this is the oil pan. So in order to remove this oil pan, the only thing that's really in the way is this small section of the cradle. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut an area here, cut an area there, and we're going to basically weld two plates as a flange so that we can bolt it on both sides. As long as the opening is wide enough that the entire oil pan can drop, we can then gain access to the bottom end of the engine. So now that I've got the bracket set up over here and I've got the angles all drilled out and clamped together, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pre-assemble one side of it, and I'm going to go ahead and fit it into the vehicle and sit the second side up, clamp everything together, and then we'll be ready to start welding. So now that we've test fitted and we know that all the holes line up and everything fits up smoothly, we're going to go ahead and start welding this section up. So now that we've got everything in place here, I've bolted up the two flanges, I've lined everything up. And now I'm just going to put a couple of tack welds first, and then I'm going to remove the bracket and then just weld everything up. So now that the flanges and the center section are completely welded up, we're ready to start grinding everything down, cleaning it up, and getting ready to paint. So here we've got the section fully bolted up, it's fully painted, it's pretty much ready to go for any future maintenance that we have to do on this oil pan. I unfortunately don't have footage of the removal process, so I should mention that in order to fully remove the oil pan, there are two methods. The first method is raise the motor by about 2 inches from the frame mounts. This is due to the front lip of the oil pan having to clear the crank. You can use an engine support bar or an engine hoist. The second method is to remove the power steering rack or slide it forward, as this will provide you with about 4 inches of clearance from the oil pan. I hope you guys found this useful. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. I don't want friends, I want Audis. Smoking on booth and it's my weed. I check the bitch like I'm Mari. Sorry bitch, I don't say sorry. Look at my